Hello, everyone. How's everybody?
Hi!
Well, there's our little surprise.
I got me an award at school.
What kind of award did you get?
A new tag and a warrior.
A certificate?
A certificate. I can't say
Certificate?
it right. Yeah.
He's so excited, y'all, and I am too.
Here.
Oh, yeah, Clem's in here too. She is right under my feet. Y'all, look, I know it's Christmas behind me, but I'm still trying to squeeze in a little fall. I hope y'all don't mind. Oh, goodness. And today, I'm showing you the tabletop mini post frame insert.
I'm going to have to go eat my pizza.
Locke is going to go eat his pizza. I told him we're not having first supper and second supper. That this is supper. Maybe a light snack later. Hey, Leffern, how are y'all? Thank y'all so much for joining me. But that's the little truck with the pumpkin in it. And then it's got the little, I don't know what this is called. But it's the little, like, wooden bit that goes around the side of the trucks, the old trucks. Hey, Beverly. Y'all, I'm just hoping Clementine might have to get kicked out. Clementine, I don't know, I'm not entirely sure what she's after, but this is the background, so it'll have all the words pumpkins. Hey, Valinda. Hey, Judy. Hey, Joanne. Clementine, come here. But this is the background, so it shows you right where everything goes. It's super easy. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm just going to stain. Oh my goodness. Y'all, don't shake stain like I do when it's open. That's a terrible idea. But I'm going to use on the background the Dixie Belle Voodoo Gel Stain in Tobacco Road. Ugh, y'all. I just feel like this is just how the day's going, doing stuff like this. Clementine, there's nothing for you. She's trying to get something. She's working real hard at it. And it's making her sad. She's a good girl, but she's a big girl, and she will knock down the cameras. Clementine, come here. What's everybody been up to on this beautiful Monday? Y'all, it has rained so much here. I'm so happy to see the sunshine. So happy. Has it been raining a lot where y'all are? Hey, and I don't have a word. There's no keyword. And then I'm going to do the little wood bit that goes around the truck bed. There's no word. So if y'all want the link, I'd maybe just comment link or something like that. Because there's no word. I did the link that should show up while we're live on both pages. But if you need me to send you the link, if you don't see that, just let me know somehow. But there's no word. And then I'm going to be using chalk paste in papaya because I'm loving that for pumpkins this year. I love it. And I'm just using the dauber to put it on. I'm so happy to see the sun. I was beginning to wonder if we would see it again. But I guess hurricanes, once they get up this far, they just swirl and keep circling rain around. And it was, whoo. Well, you know, you need the sunshine or you start getting a little bit down. At some point, it's too much rain. At least for me, it was starting to get to that point. And then I'm going to paint the pumpkin in the back of the truck. The same papaya. Hang on one second. Clementine, what'd you find? Give me that. Oh my goodness. Y'all. I'm glad I got her because she had found a wooden, like, decorative part that goes on top of something. She loves chewing on stuff. I'm sure y'all don't know any dogs like that. Hey, Diana. Thank y'all so much for watching. And look, I'm just going to use this antique wax for the pumpkin stem. And I think I might use it on the bit that goes around the back of the truck too, just for a different color, a little bit of a variety of stains. There we go. But anyhow, I'm happy to see the sunshine. I just need a little bit every now and then. I mean, it doesn't have to be sunny every day. I'm not that demanding. But here and there, it's nice to see. Oh, Cindy. She hasn't gotten into shoes yet, but she loves wood. And every walk we go on. Oh, and look, y'all. This cutout. Hey, Mimi, it even has the little tires. So I'm going to do those in pavement. But look, every time we go for a walk, she brings home a rock. She likes rocks. Thank y'all so much for sprinkling, and thanks so much for the stars, guys. I sure appreciate y'all coming on with me today. Because, hey, I'm honored that y'all watch me. Because, let's be honest, there's a lot of other stuff that y'all could be doing. Hey, Johnette. So happy to see you. See everyone. All right, in the truck, guess what? I'm going with Couture Teal in the paste, chalk paste. Y'all, I do like painting with this because it just covers so well. It's just thick, and you know, sometimes you just want a one layer and you're done. Look, that's so funny. Locke likes to pick up rock. Well, Stella does too. But it's so funny that Clementine, she brings home rocks from our walks. And she'll search out for just the right one. And she'll trade them out. Like if she has one and she's not entirely pleased with it, she'll switch it out for another one on our wall if she finds a better option. She takes them seriously. There we go. And I think I got a little bit of the teal on my pumpkin. Oh, sugar. I'm not sure if that'll be covered entirely, so I'm going to do that in the Couture Teal as well. Y'all, these are so fun. I don't know, y'all, you know what? I didn't introduce myself. My name is Jenny from Just Jenny. Oh no, probably because it's rained so much, they're coming in to get dried off maybe. Ants, they seem to be worse when it rains a lot. I'm just going to let this, get this dry. Oh, I didn't put that on Do Not Disturb, but I don't even know what I was saying. But for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jenny. I have a Facebook page as well. It's called Just Jenny. And I'm Debbie's daughter. And I'm so glad to spend a little bit of time with y'all. If you don't already follow me after the live, head on over and click follow. I'd love for you to check me out too. But I love, love, love these cutouts. And these that are interchangeable, I especially love. I grabbed one of the, I don't know where, because I've painted several of these frames. Like I've got a black one and I've got a few white ones. But look, they're so cute. And this one still had the 4th of July in there. But look, we've got Let It Snow. Hello Valentine. We've got a spring, St. Patrick's Day, Happy Easter, Happy Birthday, Best Dad Ever, and we also have the Best Mom, but I think that one might be at my house. So anyhow, I just wanted to show y'all some of those fun pieces. Let me scoot that over and I will start putting it together. So this is the background and I just stained it with the Dixie Belle, the Tobacco Road. I like this stuff a lot. And I'm not going to use the glue gun because I like to be able to move stuff around. There's not a word. I do have a link, and I'll send you, if y'all need me to send the link, I can do that. I put it in the description, and there is a featured link that should be popping up during the live. But the frame is, oh gosh, I almost glued that down before the truck goes on. Look how cute the little truck and pumpkin came out. I guess I should maybe glue the tires on. But I'm just going to use, no, I'm not using this one because it's, let me see. Is it open? I don't think it is. I'm going to open it. Hey, Vicky. The Aleene's glue. I love all of these glues because I can move them around a little bit. They don't grab quick as hot glue. And I have a little bit of time. Have a little bit of time to play with them. I especially like using these when I have letters that I'm trying to get lined up, because that doesn't always happen on the first go round. But if you need me to send you the link, just let me know that. But it is in the description, and it should be. Is it popping up while I'm live? It says that it pops up while I'm live. That's why I always do that, but I don't know if it actually works. I don't know if it's actually popping up for y'all. But you do need the frames for these. So you would order this and then whatever inserts you want. But they're super affordable and there's so many. And they're great. They're like the perfect size for a tiered tray. Okay, I'll send it, Lynn. But if y'all need me to, when I get done, I will send it over to y'all. It might be a little later. It might not be immediately when I get finished up. Because I do have to go pick up my little Stella bug. She had her therapy this morning, her physical, occupational, and speech. And they said she was kind of quiet today, but she participated really well. So they were happy with the visit. And if they're happy, I'm happy. If Stella's happy, they're happy, I'm happy. I'm pretty easy to please. It doesn't take much to make me happy. Are y'all like that? I feel like I'm pretty easy to please. But look how adorable the truck is with the pumpkin and the little, whatever the wooden sides are. Look, I keep scooching my little tires over. Keep scooching those too far. It's fun. And then I'm just going to draw a thin line of glue around where the letters go. And then I'll just come in and place them on top. And this dries clear, but it doesn't take a whole lot. Just a thin line. And y'all, I'm always excessive with everything, so you don't follow my lead. I get way too much, I'm sure. Look, Annie is so funny. You know, you always, when you're younger, you're like, oh, don't tell me I'm like my mom. But now I'm like, it's an honor to be like her. Oh, I'm so glad you love it. Yeah, Margaret, these are so simple. Because, you get everything. I mean, you don't get your paints, or you do have to pick out your paints. And y'all, this season I've done everything in all these similar colors. And I do that so that I can use all of my stuff together. Kind of keep it in the same family, same color tones and stuff. And then I can just use everything together, swap it out. And these would even be great. Like, do y'all decorate in your bathrooms and everywhere in your house for holidays? Because these would even be so cute sitting on, like, the back of your toilet or on your sink. There we go. Just trying to kind of scooch these around and get them lined up. But these are super simple projects. Because, I mean, basically all you have to do is pick out your colors and put your glue on. But look at that. So fun. I think it's so fun. What do y'all think? I'm going to dry it a little bit. Maybe let this get the glue set up a little bit before I stick it down in my frame. Because I don't want to knock all the 3D off. Yeah, see, I think this would be, because this is a really good size. And I think I have the size. When you go to the site, I think the sizes are on there, because I can never find, wait, no, I saw something pink and thought it was a tape measure, but it was not the tape measure. And you know, like I said, I did two front, we have two white ones and a black one, because some of the, I don't know. I think some of them look better in the white and some look better in the black. So I was like, you know, I'm just going to have two of them. And then I can decide when I get my insert done which one I want to go in it. It's that easy. Let's see. I'm going to try to be very careful sliding this in so that, because the glue has not set up completely. And you do want to make sure your glue is dry before you put it in here. But look how perfect that is. Even when the glue's not already dry. But I will let it get dry and take some pictures. Y'all, I hope you love this. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for sprinkling. And thanks for following me if you haven't already. And if you do want the link, just type link in and I will send it to you in a little while. And thank you so much for the stars. I really appreciate them. Y'all have a good afternoon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.